So today I'm working on modification to our crowding alley, I guess I would call it, but it heads towards the narrower alley to the squeeze chute. But as we bring the cattle from that pen, I like to swing this gate in behind, but the old style had a ring and a chain, which works just fine, but it's a little bit cumbersome. So what I did was I added a slam catch. And this comes from Ulrich Manufacturing out of Elgin, but they're available on the internet. Basically, I took my hole saw, cut a hole through it, undid the two nuts, pulled all the internals out so I wouldn't distort the spring with the heat. But I did make one modification to it. I added this little bit of a extension, and the whole purpose of that is to be able to swing up the handle and hold the plunger in. Then it swings past without effort or without having to use the lever to open it. And to re-engage, simply flip it. You could mount this on either side. I chose to do it in the middle. Figured that way it'd be easy from either direction. Going this way, it works really well. Partly because I'm not exactly square due to the positioning of the tie. But it catches nice, pull it, swings past. Coming this way, it tends to skip over. Going that way, it seems to hit, which is fine because we're headed this direction. And generally, to reset, you want to pop it past. If you don't, you can bring it by, bring it forward, or just bring it slow. My bracket's a little bit crude. I just took a couple pieces of 1/4-inch plate. There's 6 1/4-inch lag bolts going into the tie, which should be plenty adequate. But I'm excited to see how this works. We're going to be running the cows through giving scour vaccination shots. So there you have it. If you'd like more information, let me know. Thanks for watching.